Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today I'm excited to go through 3 fun subscription boxes with you. Stay tuned. Today we're going to check out the Wix Wax Candle of the Month Club, the Shabby Lane T-shirt of the Month Club, and the Eyescream Beauty Makeup Bag. The first one we're going to go through is the Wix Wax Candle of the Month Club, and this is a $16.95 a month subscription. You will get a 16-ounce candle and a scent that is exclusive to the club. You'll also get bonus perks for being a member of the club as well. So I cannot wait to see what this month's scent is. Inside the box, we have actually a nice note. We have our candle, very well packaged. Ooh, okay, I got a hint so far. The Candle of the Month Club. This month we're bringing you the zesty and sweet aroma of lemon curd, the scent that's sure to evoke cherished memories of sunlit kitchens and homemade treats. As the bright citrusy notes fill the air, you might find yourself transported back to warm afternoons spent baking with loved ones, savoring the tart yet sweet flavors of freshly made lemon curd. Whether it reminds you of a favorite dessert or simply the joy of gathering around the table with family, this scent captures the essence of those simple, happy moments. Very cool, and it's a really nice little, very prettily decorated note that we get, and I'm very excited now to smell the candle. Now, the really great thing about Wix Wax candles is they are all hand poured. Amy is the owner of Wix Wax, and she makes all the candles. There's also wax melts. There's all kinds of fun stuff. I will leave the link to her website below. You should check it out. It's going to be a fun treat for you to see everything that she has available. And this is a big old candle, you guys. I'm going to open this up. Now, I compared these candles to a favorite batch store that we all know and love, and they make really good candles. These are comparable to the premium candles in that store that don't usually go on sale. They're $26 a candle normally at that store. Again, these are $16.95 for a hand poured candle, and this one is in lemon curd, and they're in glass jars with a little metal lid. Oh, you can totally smell the lemon curd. It smells like a baked lemon tart. It's not like straight up lemon juice. It is like literally the bakery version of lemon. Oh, it smells so nice. I cannot wait to burn this one. We've been really enjoying the chai one that was in the T-shirt of the month club this month, and love every single candle that we've gotten from Amy. So another win. I love this one. Again, I will leave the link for you below. You should check it out. There will also be a 50% off coupon for your first subscription, so you could get this for $8.50. Check it out. The next one we're going to go through together is the Shabby Lane T-shirt of the Month Club. This is a $22.95 per month subscription. This will give you a t-shirt, and there's always a free gift inside as well. So I can't wait to see what's inside this one. Last month was last month the t-shirt, the teal? Whichever month had the t-shirt that says I choose joy, I think it was last month. I have one that got so many compliments on it, and that necklace that went with it is so pretty. Oh, I love the color of this one, you guys. It's peach. And the theme for this one is do what makes your soul happy. And the little cards are cardstock, and they're frameable if you want to make these artwork for your table. Oh, how pretty. Okay, I'm going to show you the t-shirt first. The t-shirt is a pretty peach apricot color. It says do what makes your soul happy. I get the 2X, and this is, I could probably go down to a 1X, but this gives me a nice roomy t-shirt, and I really enjoy the nice soft fabric that they use on these shirts. And these are made by Canvas. Bella Canvas is the t-shirt brand that she uses, but really great. And the free gift, so the t-shirt, again, super fun peach color t-shirt, do what makes your soul happy. It came with some very pretty earrings and another card that you can frame or set up at your desk if you want to, or just wherever. It says do things that light your soul on fire and that help you fall in love with your life every single day. Pretty, and there is a pretty blue heart on there. And it comes with always a little thank you card from Catherine, who makes these wonderful t-shirts. And the earrings, I'm loving these earrings. They're very pretty. It comes with earrings that you can wear with your shirt. And these are gold hoop French hook back earrings with kind of a little marbly looking drop And I think that might actually be a stone. It kind of scratches like a stone, but these are so pretty. I love these. I'm trying to get it in focus. Let's try this. There we go. You can see how really pretty these are, and the detail in those little stones, how pretty. Again, these might be resin or plastic, but they're kind of heavy and they almost feel like actual stones. So it says, oh, it is semi-precious. So this is going to be a natural stone. So very cool. It looks like maybe quartz is my guess. Very, very pretty. Love the t-shirt. Love the free gift. Again, $22.95 a month for this subscription. If you want to get in on this one, I will leave the link for you below in the description box as well. Check it out. And last but not least is our Eyescream Beauty Bag, and this bag is $12.50 per month, and it will have 3 to 5 items in it, mainly makeup, but sometimes skincare, and this one feels substantial. I can already tell. I feel like there's a palette in there. I can't wait to see what fun stuff is in here, so let's check it out and see what's inside. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. It will really help me grow my channel and bring you guys more content like this, and I appreciate it very much. Okay, so we actually have 4 items. And this one, now in the ice cream bags, you will get a card that will tell you what you got and the value for those. So I'm excited. Oh goodness, oh goodness. I'm looking at these and I'm like, what? Okay, I don't even know what to start with. Okay, so we're gonna start with, our first item is a mascara primer from Lash Step, and I actually have the mascara from them, and it has got a thin brush and it's a little bit flimsy. When you put it on, it kind of bends a little bit, but I am enjoying a primer I got from another box for lashes. I've never been a primer user, but I'm kind of getting into it as I'm just getting more used to maybe how to use it, but it helps me get my lashes in place before I put the mascara on, so they are where I want them to go, and they look a lot better when you get the mascara on. So I'm excited to try this one. This is a wonderful, hopefully, lash primer, an $18 value for this one. And to go along with our lash primer, we got a Medusa's Makeup, and this is a mascara, and it's going to be, this is a deluxe size sample. So this one is, oh, this is a bonus. Okay, so that's why it's a mini, because usually you get full-size products from Eyescream. So this is our 4th item, and then it's a bonus item. This is a Medusa's Makeup Mascara Mini, and this should be a $12 value for this size. So that's a good size mini. And oh, interesting, tiny little brush, but almost like, I'm going to get the gooby off the end so you can see. That is the size of the brush. You do have to clean the gloppies off of it. It does look like a natural fiber bristle, but this will help you get the little bits and hopefully not make a giant mess with your mascara like I sometimes do. So I'm excited to try that with the primer, mascara. And again, $12 mini mascara from Medusa's Makeup. I'm going to save the palette. There is a palette. I'm going to save the palette till last because I can't wait to show you this. We have a ZC, and this is a glossy lip tint, and this looks like Alice in Wonderland on the front. And this is a $14 value for this one. You guys have seen me use my scissor trick a lot, but it works. It says I took my nails off, so my nails are super thin. I can't get anything to open with my nails, so scissors are saving me. Okay. Ooh, cuteness. It's in a box, but the part I see is already adorable. Okay. So this is our lip tint, and it looks like it is kind of a burnt color. I'm not really sure what to call that, but it is a pretty color. It's got a tint, maybe burnt mauve is what I would call that. It's a little bit pink, it's a little bit brown, and I like the packaging. How cute is this? It is Alice in Wonderland themed. And you've got your house of cards, you've got your heart on top, and I love the shape of this. Look at this. It is kind of rectangular shaped, and I think it's just the color code is XQ1, and I want to see what it looks like. I like that. Okay, so it looks like it's going to definitely go on more burgundy than it looks in here, which I have another color that looks like this on the outside, but when you put it on, it's more of a reddish color. So excited for that one. Really pretty color. Another color I actually like. Our last thing in this box is a palette. And this is another one from Medusa's Makeup, and this is Electro Eyeshadow Palette, and this has a $25 value. And it's sealed in plastic, so I'm going to unwrap it. Oh my goodness, these colors! Look at those! Oh, it is just like the colors on the package. You have beautiful, vibrant colors. The only shimmer ones are the black, silver, and gold. The rest of them are matte. Oh, the looks you could build with this. That's gorgeous. What? Okay. I take it back. So the bottom row down here is all matte. This middle section is slightly glittery, and the top row is definitely shimmery, except for the white one is just white. But how gorgeous are these colors? Those are super adventurous. I have been adventurous somewhat, so I'm excited to see what we can do with that. But this was a good bag. Again, $12.50 is the price for this bag plus shipping, but you get so much stuff for that money. We got close to $70 worth of value in this box for our $12.50, in this bag for our $12.50 value, or $12.50 cost. So in this we got our lash primer, our mascara, our lip gloss, and our palette. So can't go wrong with an Eyescream Beauty Bag. I will leave the link for you below for that one as well if you're interested in checking it out. I encourage you to do so. You will not be bored with the Eyescream Beauty. I will say, if you did watch the video from last month with ice cream, that orange lip gloss, I have been loving it. It's obviously not what I'm wearing today, but I have worn it so many times and I love it. It goes with so many things. Slightly corally, but really orangey, so you can add a little bit more orange to it or add a little bit more pink to it, or just wear it as is. I've done it all. I really like it. So check out the Eyescream Beauty Bag. I hope you guys enjoyed all these bags and boxes with me today. It's been fun. I always enjoy going through these with you all. I hope you did enjoy it as well. If you did, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Share my channel with family and friends that you think might also enjoy it. I'm really working on growing my channel, and I would appreciate you guys' help with that as well. So for now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.